yeah, I guess now in update canvas we should move it. I will need to call this also at some point. So we have actually what we should have done here. I think we should use parent here. Parent is good for moving stuff. So instead of using a debug, I think we will have the outer border, because that might be, I think that'll be the click area later. Which is a to do. But when we have interact later, we will add that as a click area. Canvas new rectangle, save size, pink. Okay, now we set opacity to, let's 0.4. Let's just look if we can see it. Okay, so those haven't moved yet. We should do FX here. Mid. So now I think they are covering. It's really hard to see actually. Z index. Yeah, they're there. Just set opacity to 0 for now. And my idea is to do something like, we're not saving anything here. So this is self.graphics click area maybe. And then maybe we will try. For now it might be enough to not even save this, but just have parent. But this is a problem. I'll just do this, because when I do parent it's gonna change the midpoint. So it's a little bit more tricky. So now the circles will move. Far, far away. Yeah, so this is the dice without those circles at the very end. Because now we should be relative to the midpoint. We should not do x equals mid x. Okay, so then we just remove mid x. Was it minus? Okay. So here it's minus a half, blah, blah, blah. Here we remove mid y and do this instead. Let's see if that works. Not particularly. And we have errors also. Key error 31. Okay. Because now we should be relative to the parent, which is in the middle. So that's nice so far. Do I get errors now? I wonder if I have to fix this first. That's the problem. I don't think so. 1310 in execute move we have a problem. Self-play has moved. Index 2 is equal to index from. Key error 31, but there should be a die there. Why is this a problem? So if we just print this, why doesn't it have 31? Self.player dice. What happened? Uh, 30, 31. It does have something at 31. 35. 33, 34, 35. So index 0 does have a key 35. Okay, so some other index. That's some other missing thing. 13, 11. What? 13, 11. It doesn't find index 35. To move. So to move is wrong. Or so if it's x move 0. Okay, so it's wrong here. I never even liked the name of it. Current player x is equal to x move like that, I guess. Okay, still not drawing it correctly. Now I just remember something. Execute move. It was saying here that in execute move it should increment self.xmove. Apparently, according to this idea here. So I guess here we do that. For some reason. Okay. But now I still have to figure out why I don't see the where I lost my rounded corners. And we can also not do the printout anymore. Where did my rounded corners go? Did not run successfully. Back to having key arrows. What's happening? So sometimes I get a key error. Huh? 29. Yeah, that's not a valid move. Nine. So now it moves 32 to 17. That That's fine. Sometimes it does something that gives me a key error. 34 to 28, that's fine. But when do I get the key error? Now. 29. Is 29 in the possible moves though? I can see a 29, but it's going from 34 to 29. Is there any other 29? So that's not a valid move. Okay, so mostly we get valid moves for some reason, but then sometimes we don't. We get kind of where it's going to. Now we get it all the time. What? Is it that it's taking one more step? Aren't we always setting self-finish to true? Yes, we are. Not 100% sure here what's happening. So it seems like it's whenever it prints a move, it's valid, but for some reason it sometimes chooses an invalid move. Okay. But I have more serious problems. I have to solve my graphical problem in die. I was thinking I was going to be clever here and have this click area as a parent to the other ones. Fx of x, fx of y, that should not be a problem.